In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create my first project on Bitbucket. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Bitbucket login page. You'll land on Atlassian's sign-in screen. For this walkthrough, choose the option to continue with Google. When the account chooser appears, select the Google account you use for your Bitbucket and Atlassian products. If you're already signed in, it may take you straight into Bitbucket. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page and click the Create button. From the menu that opens, choose Project. In Bitbucket, a project is a container that helps you organize multiple repositories under one umbrella, for example by team, client, or application area. Creating the project first keeps everything tidy as your codebase grows. You'll now see the project creation form. Start by typing a clear, human-friendly project name. Pick something descriptive that your teammates will immediately recognize, like mobile app platform or website revamp. Next, add the project key. This is a short uppercase identifier that Bitbucket uses in URLs and labels. Keep it brief, typically 2 to 5 letters, such as map or web. It's best to avoid spaces and special characters, and once you pick it, try to stick with it to maintain consistent links and references. Below that, enter a description. Think of this as a quick elevator pitch for your project. Summarize the purpose, scope, or tech stack so anyone browsing your workspace understands what lives here and how it should be used. Now set the privacy. Choose private if you want to restrict visibility to your workspace members, which is the default for most teams. Public projects are visible to everyone on the internet, so only use that if you intentionally want open access. You can also upload a project avatar. This small image or icon makes it easier to spot your project at a glance in lists and sidebars. A logo, a color-coded badge, or a simple initial-based icon works well. When everything looks good, click Create Project. Bitbucket will take you to the new project's overview page. From here, you can start adding repositories. This is where your actual code will live. You can create your first repository, import one from an existing Git host, or connect your local machine and push an existing repo into this project. Keeping related repositories inside the same project will make permissions, code review, and navigation much more streamlined for your team. That's it, you've created your first Bitbucket project and you're ready to add repositories and collaborate.